I'm Naina Jaya, disciple of Guru Srimati Manasi Raghunandan. I have been learning Odissi for the past 7 years. Online classes taken by my Guru are really refreshing and keeps me physically and mentally fit. Thank you so much, ma'am, for these classes. Now I am going to demonstrate some of the exercises which are not only beneficial for dancers but are also beneficial for non-dancers. First is rhythm exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Namaste. Myself Srimati Preeti Prashant. I am learning classical dance from the age of 6. I started with Bharatanatyam under Kalamandalam Krishna Kumari in Mumbai. After few years of practice, I did my Arangyatam, that is Ranga Pravesha in Bharatanatyam. My curiosity led me to learn more dance forms, more classical dance forms. I went on to learn Mohiniyattam under my same guru. I did my Ranga Pravesha in Mohiniyattam in the year 2003 in Guruvayur, Kerala. Later, I went on to finish a college diploma in Kuchipudi. I'm right now teaching Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. I run my own institute called Ishwaramba School of Dance in Bangalore. My curiosity led me further and landed me at the doorsteps of Srimati Mansi Pandya Raghunandan in Bangalore. And I'm learning Odissi under her for the past 4 years now. Learning Odissi under her has been a blessing. Since I'm a working professional, she has been very flexible in terms of timings and teaching me very patiently. I now Odissi, as a book written by Srimati Mansi Pandya Raghunandan, the title is given Odissi, a way of life, and for me it is true to its meaning, because Odissi has become a way of life for me. And I wish to practice this dance form till the time that my body allows me to practice. So this pandemic, as you all know, has been very harsh on us in many other ways, but I think all the art enthusiasts, be it in any field, be it music or instruments or dance, they have got ample time. As for me, in my case, I have got ample time to focus on my body, to focus on my to build my stamina, my strength. I have got a lot of time in my hand to practice the dance forms. Of course, we might not have enough scope to showcase our work physically, but yes, social media has become a boon now. There are many young aspirants who are going on Facebook Live, on Insta Live, to showcase their work. But you can see that there is a lot of hard work and practice, the number of hours of practice which goes behind this before we become ready to showcase our work. So yes, I think that all the dance aspirants should completely make you, and I'm sure everybody must be doing it, must be making good use of this time. And I hope that we recover soon from this pandemic, and we are all ready to showcase our work and rock the stage once again.
Hello everyone, my name is Ambika Rajiv and I am 42 years old. I am learning Odissi from Srimati Guru Mansi Raghunandan Pandya. I am very happy and proud to say that I am learning Odissi from her. The dance has given me a lot of happiness and contentment in life. It has made me physically and mentally fit, and I am enjoying it to the core. Thank you, ma'am, for making my life more beautiful by teaching us dance. Thank you very much. Now I am going to show a Odissi pose. This is called as Meena Pucha. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Shubhodaya. I am Indira Sharan, a teacher, a writer and a speaker. Literature is my first love and teaching as well. I have published few of my books. Dear friends, today here I am there to speak my favorite passion, that is of learning Odissi. It has been my childhood desire to learn Odissi, and I am so lucky and fortunate that I found Mansi ma'am as my guru. I am doing Odissi, or say learning Odissi, purely for the sheer joy of learning and nurturing one of my favorite hobby. It gives me happiness. I feel very happy and very refreshed after each and every class, and I am so happy that on these days of online technology also, Madam Mansi is continuously taking classes so that we don't miss any of it. Odissi is one of the very beautiful, very lyrical, very sensuous, very graceful dance, and it's really very nice. I mean, I enjoy when I do it, and I feel very happy that I am doing perfectly, even though it is not so. But I am enjoying something which I do. There is no age to pursue your hobby. Please do that as and when you feel. Age is not barrier for learning anything, whether technology, whether computer or dance. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. I'm Anuradha, teacher and a learner. I love quizzing and I have a great penchant for reading ancient texts of India. And in dance form, I love Odissi. I've been learning Odissi from the past 1.5 years. When I visited the temples of Konark, I was really enchanted with the beauty of the sculptures, which has the dance forms of Odissi, dance poses. I've been really fortunate to be learning under the tutelage of Mrs. Mansi Ma'am, our teacher, who is an excellent internationally acclaimed Odissi dancer by herself. And during this pandemic, when the entire world is engulfed under this terrible disease, COVID, the times have been difficult, and we were under the lockdown, and the life was little monotonous and a bit boring. But thanks to the online classes of Mansi ma'am, we thoroughly enjoyed each and every class because it broke the monotony, and it is any learning any dance form. I personally feel that we can keep ourselves fit and learning. The reason why I chose Odissi is that it has very soft, gentle, and lyrical movements. It is like a sheer poetry in movement in dance form. So each and every classes were really enjoyable, and thanks to Mansi ma'am, I personally feel that pursuing any dance form keeps us fit. So learn Odissi, be fit. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Anjali Hariharan from Bristol in the United Kingdom, and I've been practicing for the last 17 years as a holistic complementary therapist. I've been learning dance since a very young age, and the last couple of years I've been doing Odissi with my guru, Srimati Manasi Raghunandan. In this lockdown time, dance has contributed enormously, not just to my physical fitness, but also mental health. The joy of being with classmates, albeit online, and knowing there is class twice a week to look forward to, gives enthusiasm to an otherwise dull and isolated life. Dancing helps balance the right and left sides of the brain, and doing the complex moves maintains muscle, joint, and nerve health. Also, such rhythmic movements act as a good exercise, which releases endorphins, which is a known mood booster. I'm very grateful to have the opportunity to access my guru and classes online, and even as the lockdowns are now starting to ease slowly, I will still continue dancing.